today on Vito's Italian Cucina. That's right.
We're doing Joe Pesci. Hey, what am I, a clown? What am I, funny?
Well, I'm going to tell you something. That's what Pesci means, fish. So, we're not doing Joe Pesci. I was a bad impression of Joe. But what the heck, today on Vito's Italian Cucina, we are going to do fish. And today we're going to do some cod, some Alaskan cod. So we're going to do some white fishes today, like tilapia, some orange roughy, and stuff like that. And to get started, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So come on down here and look over here. First of all, look at this. Come on in a little closer and take a look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You know what this is, folks? This is chopped garlic. That's right. What I did was I chopped up about 15 to 20 little cloves, and then I went ahead and I put them on the pan, and I fried them up and dried them out, and that's our garlic that's going in here. Of course, we have some pepe, salt, and then look what we got right here. Here's our Alaskan cod, which is going to be beautiful, the little fillets. And then we come over here, and then what we have here is some chopped rosemary, and then of course I use the fresh rosemary. Look at that. I got it right out of the garden. Isn't that beautiful? Look how gorgeous that is. And then we have some Parmigiano, okay? My favorite clove of garlic. And then, of course, some Italian seasoning. And we have over here a couple of eggs that I beat up. I beat these eggs up and they didn't fight back. I'm going to tell you something. That's the kind of fight I need. Anyway, down here, guess what this is, folks? This is panko. No, it's not breadcrumbs. It's panko. And panko is Japanese. Now, how do I make Japanese Italian? Well, I'm going to use a little Italian seasoning. Watch this. Here we go. Oh, it's turning into Italian. I swear to goodness. So now we mix in the Italian seasoning into the panko. I'm going to put a little bit more in there because I want this to be full-blooded Italian. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to mix it like that. And then we're going to come over here. We're going to put a little sale, okay? And you're going to sprinkle a little sale in. Remember, now you're using the Parmesan cheese, so it's got salt in it. So you don't want to use too much salt. And then we got some pepper. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of that in there. I'll put a little touch more. I like that crunch in there. And then we're going to come over here, and you know what this is, of course. This is the rosemary, okay? Now, what am I going to do with this? No, I'm not putting the rosemary in here. These rosemary, now I'm going to come slide over. We'll change the subject just a little bit. Look at that. Potatoes. There's the potatoes. I love these potatoes. I love them. And this is for my Irish buddies out there. What we're going to do with these potatoes is we're going to slice them in half, and we're going to put them face down in the pan, and we'll get to that. And these are going to be lightly garlicked, rosemary, roasted on the fire over here in the pan. Potatoes. I love saying potatoes. Anyway, that's what we're going to do with that. And then I'm going to come back over here, okay, folks? And now, here it is. Here it is. This garlic I was telling you about. Now we're going to put the garlic. Oh, Maron. This is going to be great. Look at this garlic. You go ahead and sprinkle it in there. And you can, I got about 1 cup of panko in there. And then I just chopped up the garlic. And you do put as much garlic as you want in there. It's up to you guys. But I'm going to put the whole thing in there. I'm going to tell you right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the cod, the fillets, and we're going to come on over, and we're going to go ahead and do it with a dippity-doo. Dippity-doo. And then we're going to put it in here like this. I'll do a couple of them like this. Okay? Now, on the pan I'm going to put them on. I've already put some oleo, some olive oil, so it doesn't stick. I got the oven at 400 degrees. At about maybe 17 minutes, something like that. I think it's about 17 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and just watch them. You don't have to even turn them over now. So we're just going to go cover them up. Look at this. This is going to be great, folks. Talk about crunchy. Oh my goodness. This is going to be great. Then you go ahead and put it on here just like it is. Oh, look at that. And I'm going to get this one. Do like this. Okay. That's nice. Oh my goodness! Oh, look at this! Look! Can you get in there? Can you look at that? Look at all the garlic, Parmesan, panko, Italian panko, by the way. And this is going to be so crunchy and wonderful. And you come over, put it down like this. All right, here we go. And if you look down in there, look what I did. I put some aluminum foil underneath the elements. You can see that, so it helps to kind of protect the bottom of the oven. And we got the rack at about halfway. We go ahead and we put it in here like that. Don't burn yourself. Don't burn. That's a nice. Okay, can you see that? Okay, now we're ready for our red potatoes. And in the pan we have some aye, garlic, burro, butter, but it's not really butter, it's a substitute, which I think is better for you, healthier. And then of course oleo, which is oil, and that's what it is. And these are the potatoes. There they are right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice these in half, okay? And then we're going to put them face down in there, and we're going to let them roast. Maron, this is going to be great. This is going to be great. Stay there. Don't go nowhere. All right, here's my red potatoes, and I cut them in half, as you can see right now. But come on over. Now remember, I had the rosemary. Come on over, take a look at this. I've already put the rosemary in the pan. You see it right there? Okay, now come on back over here. Here we go. Now I'm going to take the potatoes, and they're going to halve down. So I'll show you how we do that. Come on over, and we just start to put them in just like this. Just like this, and we let them roast. Now I got a lid ready to go on. Guys, this is going to be so delicious. You guys are going to love this. Now you're gonna ask me how long do I cook these? Well, you know, you just gotta have to judge it. You want them to get really brown on the face, on the bottom. So you just gotta go along and just judge it. It just reminds me of something. You know what? I went fishing with my cousin Dominic, and we went all out. We went for 3 days. We rented a boat, we rented the cabin, we got fishing gear, we got fishing vests, we got worms, we got the whole bit. And we go out to the first day, nothing. Second day, nothing. The third day, we caught one little fish. So he says, oh, that's it, we're packing it up, we're out of here. So on the way back, I look over at my cousin, and I says, hey, Dom. I says, you know, I added this whole thing up, and I says, it comes, you know, one lousy fish costs us $2,000. He says to me, he says, it's a good thing we didn't catch another one. Oh, look at this. This looks wonderful, guys. That looks wonderful. Let's just take a look at that a little bit. And now we'll put this on. Now let's take a look. Can you see that? Looks gorgeous. Okay, okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to put a little Parmesan in here now, so come on over. A little Parmesan on top, just a little bit like this. Look how gorgeous. And then on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of sale, some pepe, okay? That's what I'm going to do, so stay right where you are. A little bit of pepe, just like this, look at that. Oh, like that. And a little bit of sale. Okay, just like that. I love that, you know. And just for the top of it, I'll just put a couple more pieces of the rosemary. And then take a look at that. Okay, here we go. I think they're done now. The potatoes are still roasted over there. They're not quite done, so I'll show you what we're going to do about that. So we're going to go in here and check this out. Oh, look at this. This is wonderful. Woo! I love it. Look at this, guys. Come on down and look at that. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so we're going to take them out just like this. We're going to take these out and put them in the pan just like this. Just like this. Look how gorgeous that is, guys. Oh, my gosh. Look at this. Wonderful. This is wonderful. Okay, just like this. Oh, look at that. Look at the piece just fell off. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, that's how you know. That's how you know, baby. This is just how we do it. Look at that. Look at that, okay? All right, these are done, ladies and gentlemen, and come with me. This is going to be gorgeous. I'm going to tell you something. You are going to love this. Take a look at this. Look at this. Oh, my goodness. I'm going to tell you something. Look how gorgeous those look. Oh, my God. So what we'll do is we'll take this off. Okay, and we're just going to go ahead and lie them down in here like this. I lay some up, some down. You know what I mean? Look at this. Look how gorgeous this looks, folks. I'm going to tell you something. This is wonderful. I'm going to tell you something. Your friends, your relatives, you are going to be the king around the house, pal. I'm telling you right now. Just go ahead and serve this up on a nice platter. You know what I'm saying to you? Oh, this is going to be great. Okay, so you took the journey with us. We had a little adventure today. A couple of bad jokes, but we had a good time. Remember, Alaskan cod, any whitefish will do. About 17 minutes at 400. Garlic, Parmesan, sale, pepe. a little bit of Italian seasoning to go with the panko. Remember, panko's Japanese, but you put the Italian seasoning in here. Maron, it's Italian. Now, what goes on last? Taste the piaston. Did I say that right? Probably not, but who cares? Look what this is. You know what this is, folks? This is rosemary. I got a cousin named Rosemary. Rosemary Cucina. Anyway, look at here. So we're going to go on down. You lay this across there. And maron. Look at that. Hey! Thanks for coming. Vito's Italian Cucina. You're going to love this dish. Ciao for now. Hey, maron.